Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by preparing a small, clean area where the sticker will sit. Clean with an alcohol wipe and let dry. This improves adhesion and prevents lifting. Next, peel the backing at a 45 degrees angle to avoid bending the thin edge. This reduces creases. Once done, align the sticker 1-2 mm from the natural edge or hairline and press the center down first so the thin edge seats smoothly, and you can adjust one side without spoiling the whole placement. After initial placement, you secure the edges so they lay flat and look natural. Lightly dampen a cotton swab, then press along the edge for 10-15 seconds. Moisture activates the adhesive and removes tiny air pockets. Make sure to powder over the sticker with a translucent setting powder to reduce shine and blend texture with surrounding skin. If any excess shows, trim with small scissors. Trim little by little so you don't cut too much and create a realistic finish. To finish, you'll seal the sticker so it lasts and resists moisture. Use a thin mist of makeup sealer or a brush-on skin-safe adhesive and let it set for 60-90 seconds. This locks edges and prevents fraying. Make sure to avoid oily creams for the next 24 hours as oils break down adhesive. If you notice lifting, press the area with a damp swab to reactivate adhesive, trim any loose bits. Then reseal. This quick fix often restores adhesion without replacing the sticker.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.